YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. Right into my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification. Do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. My dog's going crazy in the background here, but we're talking about Bitcoin today, guys, because A, were we right? Did Bitcoin have the sell-off that we talked about? Did talk about the fact that not a bad opportunity to be short in the market. And some of you guys were hitting me up asking me how to short the market. And if you guys made money on the way down on this downtrend on Bitcoin, good on you. Because you guys know just as well as we can make money on the way up, we can make money on the way down when it comes to Bitcoin. But guys, I want you to also know that altcoins are still running crazy right now. There's still altcoins that you can get into and be making amazing gains. As a matter of fact, I had somebody hit 7 figures on this Bitcoin consolidation right here in an altcoin, which is absolutely amazing. But you gotta be knowing what's going on in the market, and you have to kind of be identifying the trends, and you got to be tapped into JTalks Crypto, of course. Hit the subscribe button, that bell notification. Who does it better? I really don't know, guys. But a lot of these coins that we had added on DEX tools to our favorites list are doing pretty well today. And I just want to talk about like kind of what's trending, what I see trending, and kind of what has the best chance of doing well if you're looking to buy in or if you're looking to play in some of these meme coins on this Bitcoin consolidation. But keep in mind, guys, that if Bitcoin wants to drop down, a lot of this market can see red. So the fact that we're trading right now, if you guys are looking to get in and out of altcoins, it is a very volatile time to be in altcoins. So just take with that what you will, guys. But of course, we gonna talk about meme coins because that's what we do on this channel. So if you like that, make sure you hit the comment section and let me know, guys. We got to get these videos up in the algorithm, and the only way we can do that is with comments and likes. So make sure we're doing that. But again, guys, a lot of these coins that we have been talking about on this channel performing pretty well, including WIF, right? I'm looking at WIF right now. I think a lot of people are looking at WIF. And a couple indicators that I want you guys to start pulling up when we pull up these charts, so you guys know kind of what I'm looking at. I'm going to turn off all my indicators. This is how you turn off your indicators, and I'm going to show you what indicators you guys want to use. So I like the RSI. So as you guys can see, this is my RSI down here. All you got to do to turn on your indicators is click this little FX thing, and you could type in RSI. I also like to use the Bollinger Bands, right? Bollinger Bands are good. And I like to use Keltner channels. So let's pull up that Keltner channels, okay? And this is going to help you really know a lot more what's going on, why the price is falling volatile at certain times, and you can really check on different charts. See, so you could see like it's touching this bottom channel right here, and a lot of people are playing on this 30-minute indicator right here. This seems to be what people are watching on this chart. So maybe this is a chart that you want to watch if you're in this trade, if you're just looking to make swing money. And again, this is for people that are looking to make swing money. Of course, if you're looking macro, you're not looking at the 30-minute chart. But again, if you're trading in this type of Bitcoin volatility, in my opinion, the best thing to be doing is like swing trading, because these things could break down at any time. But as you can see also on the 4-hour, this thing touching the bottom of this counter channel too, which means that a lot of people are placing bets right now. Either this is going to go up or go down. So we could turn on the candle chart just by clicking this and clicking candles, and you could really see what's happening in the hour. These candle charts represent the hour, right? The 4-hour, right? So each one of these bars represents 4 hours. When you move it down to like 2 hours, now each bar represents 2 hours. Now each bar represents 1 hour. So you could go all the way down literally to the 1-second chart, to the 3-minute chart, 30-minute chart. You guys could see 30-minute chart right here. Ultimately, trading on a 30-minute chart is going to give you a lot of anxiety. You're going to be sitting at this computer all day. Yesterday I was following a trade, and it was super volatile. It was book a meme, and that thing was like really starting to run, and then Bitcoin had its correction. It listed on Binance, and it went up like 100%. And I had already stablecoined up, because I already told you guys that Bitcoin is volatile right now. I actually stablecoined up around 71,000. So my money's a lot in stablecoins, but I had my brother tell me that he pretty much bought almost the top of the book of meme coin, and so I was trying to help him see if he needs to stay in that trade or if it was probably a good time to exit the trade. But I'm going to show you guys kind of like good zones of accumulation. Also, another coin that I've been looking at is this Pen coin. As you guys can see, up 40% right now. 30-minute also touching this bottom channel right here. Now this orange line right here, this is your Bollinger Band, and it's really important to pay attention to what happens with the psychology of when this thing breaks below its Bollinger Bands, and how long it usually stays below its Bollinger Bands. Because again, once it starts trending above, you want to also pay attention to what happens when it has trended above the Bollinger Bands, right? Once this thing turns from going under the Bollinger Bands to going above the Bollinger Bands, sometimes it tends to follow this uptrend and stay within these channels. So again, I like Keltner channels. I like also the Bollinger Bands, and I like to use this RSI. It tells me when things are overbought and oversold. So any indicators that you use, all these indicators, guys, are great. These are just indicators that I use. And honestly, I don't even always have indicators open. But when Bitcoin is looking like this and I'm swing trading, yeah, I do have indicators open. But ultimately, like when Bitcoin's like in a bull rally, I'm looking for cup and handles. I'm looking for bullish patterns because generally, uh, when Bitcoin's looking bullish, a lot of coins are looking bullish. But when Bitcoin's looking funky, things are funky, and I have indicators open. So some people ask me like, Jay, how come you don't have indicators in all the videos? I do have the video indicators in videos where Bitcoin is looking like it is right now in times of volatility and times where I'm looking for swing trades and stuff like that. So again, those are the indicators that I use. You can use indicators that you want. Also, you can go on other YouTube channels, follow other people that trade, and maybe their indicators might make more sense to you. To me, it makes a lot of sense when I look at these charts, but to some people it doesn't make a lot of sense. So do what to you makes sense, guys. Find strategies that make sense. Also, look at SHIB up 14% right now, retesting again this 3 range and seeing some big price action. I told you guys that SHIB did have some good support down here in the twos, and that if it dropped down to the twos, that it would not be a good buy opportunity. But again, guys, big Shiba Inu also correcting down with Bitcoin, as Bitcoin is looking a little bit funky. And this could actually be a chart that indicates a sell-off. This again is, we saw this bear flag play before, right? Right here, bear flag right here, flag pull, bear flag, drop down. We see a double bottom right here. But ultimately, are we seeing another rejection, right? Is this a another rejection of a key resistance? That is an indicator that, again, boom, another trip down. We could see also that happening, playing out with Flocky right now, creating this bear flag, right? Just like right here, this flag, pull, drop down. Flocky right now retesting some lower support, seeing if it can hold on to that support. But again, in my opinion, that's going to depend on Bitcoin. Also, as you guys could see, Trump coin, a lot of these coins, right, following Bitcoin and creating some nasty patterns, creating some indication that they might see some sell-off. So really, a lot of these charts right now looking pretty bare. Pepe not looking too bad though. Pepe creating a nice bull flag. Maybe this could have some more upside, and maybe some of these coins that are a play off of Pepe, like Pork and Bobo and stuff like that, might do well. Or maybe you could find a good fork of Pepe on the Solana blockchain that you might find, and it might do well also. So those would be the type of plays that I'm looking for. We always want to check the contract too. Like, look, there's a Bobo contract. We talked about Bobo on the channel, but this is not the right Bobo contract. This one only has 327, but it's on Solana. But also, again, I don't know the validity of this contract, so I'm gonna check the audits on it. I don't know how good it is. Again, scam risk undetected. It only has one audit. This project's super early, and it's a fork of Bobo. It's like a 1-to-1 fork. This could honestly be a scam. When you hear about a coin and then you go and you check and there's like 10 different coins, and it's usually going to be the one that has the biggest market cap, and these smaller ones are usually just going to be people that just made the coin after and tried in hopes to catch people that are not checking to see if they're buying the right contract. And you guys will know if you're buying the right contract because the contract address is right underneath here. You can copy this contract address and you could put it into your DEX, or you could put it into your wallet, or whatever you're doing, and you could track your coins and you could see what you have. But also, you want to make sure that the coin that you're buying is the one that you want to buy. And the one way to do that, you could check on their Twitter. If you're on SHIB, if you, like, for instance, you're trying to buy SHIB, right? You could check SHIB's Twitter. They're going to link you to how you can buy SHIB and stuff like that. Also, you could buy it off of credible things like exchanges and stuff like that. But at the same time, guys, if you leave your money on a centralized exchange, it's not your money. You want to keep your money in your wallet. You want to keep your Bitcoin in your wallet, because if anything happens with an exchange, then there's a chance that you might not be able to move your funds. And that kind of defeats the whole purpose of cryptocurrency, is to have your funds stuck somewhere. The whole reason to get into cryptocurrency again is so that we have control of our money, the bank's not controlling our money, and we can make some actual gains on our money. So if you're just leaving your money on a centralized exchange, that's very risky, even leaving it on Binance or Coinbase and stuff like that, because when Bitcoin gets really volatile, a lot of the times those websites also go down. So because there's so many people trying to log onto the website will go down. It's better for you to just have your money in a wallet. That way you can get in and out of trades just using a DEX. You could stable coin up using a DEX, and then you can move your money over onto your wherever you want to move it to cash out. That's generally kind of just how I do it. Also, some people were asking me how they buy Solana coins. You guys could buy Solana coins right on DEX tools. One thing I do recommend doing if you're going to do that is just create a new wallet, right? Create a new wallet, fund it with whatever money that you're going to spend on DEX tools. Like, let's say you're going to spend $50 on this website, finding some little poo coins that might do something like this, 82,000% gains. Well, create a new wallet, and then you can add that wallet connected to here, and then you could rest easy knowing that all your main holdings are not all in this. I do that all the time. You should have multiple wallets. You could distribute that out. You could have cold wallets, all kinds of different wallets. you know Questions of what is the safest place to keep money, they all have downfalls, right? You could lose your key, phrases and stuff like that, and then not be able to get into your wallet, or you may lose your cold wallet, and not be able to access your funds if you have like a hard drive or something like that. So whatever you do, just make sure you're doing it secure. Keep your money in different places just in case anything happens and you're ever compromised or anything like that. But again, guys, it's not financial advice. It's just advice that I would give you as somebody who's been in this market now for like a freaking decade. So I would definitely be cautious. Be cautious in cryptocurrency, and especially when you're connecting your wallet to websites. Don't get in a habit of connecting your wallet to websites that you are not comfortable with. But again, Dex Tools is a website that has been around for a long time. I use Dex Tools. I love Dex Tools, but also I'm not connecting my main wallet to Dex Tools. I'm not connecting my main wallet much to anything these days. I'd rather just create a smaller wallet, fund that wallet, and then connect it just in case anything's ever compromised or anything like that. I'm not too much screwed. So again, guys, take with that what you want. Always, I'm providing you guys value on this channel, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, that bell notification. If you got anything out of this video, guys, anything, let me know in the comments below. If you guys like seeing me again in these videos, I'm gonna start being in more videos too. But again, we're talking about these coins each and every day, so if you guys want to make them 10x, 100x, 800x gains, there's no other channel on YouTube that you should be following. This is the only one, boys, the only one where I'm teaching you guys for free. So, again, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.